Alright guys, I did say I'd be doing this painting from GT Studios. I prepared it, filled in all the gaps along with the rider, so they're all prepared, but then I just got the latest Conquest and I thought this model looks really cool, this one here. So I think I might do a series on just the Conquest models because the models are turning out really good now. Next week I might do the Space Marine one, but let's check this out. This first, that base. Alright, it's just in the spew, this model looks so complicated. Citadel do make some nice models, look at the detail. It's brilliant, isn't it? So this is what it is. This tank thing, I don't know what it is, man. I just want to paint them. Let's see. So yeah, it should be a fun one to paint. A different color scheme there you can use. Might just do the Death Guard. That looks good. Ooh. Yeah, Death Guard one. This is just basic rules based. Fit it in, like it just tells you how to fit it in. Painting, etc, etc, etc. Yeah, looks good, looks good. Right. I think this one of them is coming next week. Special character. We'll have a look at the back. Should stay on it. Ah, that's it. Aggressors. I have a box of aggressors, but this next one, number 12, looks good as well. So yeah, definitely get next week. Let's add to my army. And yeah, so the next painting one will be this model right here. So stay in tune for that. And in the meantime, if you click on the link below, you can join my newsletter, get updates, and just sign up. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Okay, bye.